A software engineer is a professional who designs, develops, tests, and maintains software using engineering principles and methodologies. They are responsible for creating and implementing software solutions to meet the needs of the organization or client they are working for. The role of a software engineer typically involves working with a team of developers, and can include tasks such as writing clean, efficient, and well-documented code, participating in the software development life cycle, including requirements gathering, design, development, testing, and deployment, troubleshooting and debugging software issues, collaborating with other team members, such as project managers, designers, and QA engineers, keeping up to date with the latest technologies and industry trends. Software engineers typically have a background in computer science or a related field, and may have specialized skills or experience in areas such as web development, mobile app development, or systems programming.